North Korea on Thursday said an American B-52 bomber sortie could jeopardize family reunions it agreed to host with South Korea in late February. North Korea accused the U.S. of staging a rehearsal for a nuclear strike with B-52 bombers dispatched from Guam. South Korea said only one bomber was involved. The B-52 was developed in 1952 and is still widely used by the U.S. Air Force. The plane is 156 feet long and has a wingspan of 185 feet. The aircraft can carry nuclear weapons, including up to 12 AGM-129 advanced cruise missiles, 20 AGM-86A air-launched cruise missiles, and 8 bombs. North Korea said the aircraft was dispatched from Guam and flew over the west coast of the Korean peninsula. The last reunion between families in North and South Korea was held 3 years ago.